Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Yes. Oh. My God. All nose. Oh. Wow. New jumpscares. Oh no. Meow meow. Okay, Gilbert didn't really change. Thank God. Oh my God. The Sandman looks like more white. Sandman. Cuss. I just look over away. Oh. Cuss. Yeah, yeah. Why is this snow or gravel? Oh. He stomps on you now. Oh my. He's too fast. Papa. It would have been better if the old sounds would have been back. Okay, where's Gus? Why am I seeing Gus? Ooh. Yo, what is this? Oh, this represents the snow. I think the Christmas event's coming. Can you get a gear, please? There's this. Dude. He's bitten off. Oh, yes, what is this? When will all this end? Yes, man. I can't stand suffering in this place. Whoever write that needs to rank. No offense, by the way. So, cause, when you move, you scream, I think it's the John or Jimmy scream. Let's see the jump scare. Okay. Do you suck at Kelly? Kelly. He also stomps on you too. Yes, buddy. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to stay up on future updates. It's helpful, by the way, so you'll know when good updates will come on. If the old moms are here, she'll bring back that one florist nest. The red or blue. I miss forest or forest. Okay, let's. Oh, God. Oh, Jesus. Googly moogly. Let's head to Gus. If Gus has a jump scare, he will be improved. Or, yeah. Too thirsty. I know, like, Sam and Ashy is not on the stairs. Can we, like, bring back the mines as a game mode? I've been waiting for that. That's the first time I joined, by the way. Oh my god, my voice. This is also there. Dude, why is he kinda purple? Let's see, Gus's jump scare. Okay. Did anything change in the channel soon? Please, no. The monster soon is very outdated. Hell shit. I mean, Ape Gaming. Yeah. And it's here. Sir Sa. Okay, cool. Mansagus. Bye-bye. Set. I have the Discord. We're going to chat now. Well, bye-bye anyways.